With a true pioneering spirit and an insatiable thirst for knowledge, Barbara McClintock became one of the greatest geneticists of the 20th century.
Barbara was an extraordinary person. She was a maverick. She was unto herself. There was no one like Barbara. Barbara prided herself in her uniqueness. It was an extremely important part of her self-identity. And she just had her own way of looking at things and was extraordinarily creative and imaginative.
When McClintock's early research on transposable elements was published in the 1940s, it was not understood or accepted by the scientific community.
The reaction to this research was first disbelief. Also, it was difficult for people to understand. Her writing was extremely terse and idiosyncratic. She was really just dismissed, written out. She was respected, but not believed.
When her colleagues thought that something was wrong with her, and she said to me, "Some of my colleagues say that I must be going through menopause." She continued to work. She was totally convinced that she was right.
There was no question in my mind that the information I had received was so strong that there was no way of drawing any other conclusion. Therefore, when you feel that strongly about something, you can't be turned off. Nobody can hurt you.
But it was the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, awarded to her in 1983, that most clearly signaled the changed perception of her earlier groundbreaking genetics research.
The story about how Barbara McClintock was received in the community changed very radically once she got the Nobel Prize.
I think Barbara was ahead of her time, and I think that's why it took so long to get the Nobel Prize.
Her courage was extraordinary, to think things through by herself, to follow what she saw no matter how many dogmas it contradicted. It takes tremendous courage, and she had that all of her life.